play the ukulele, first rest the body of the instrument in the crook of your right elbow and hold the neck of the ukulele between your thumb and index finger of your left hand. When you play, you'll strum with your right hand, using the back of your fingernails as you go down the strings and the pads of your fingers as you come back up. You'll also press down on the fretboard with your left hand to play different notes. Next, learn the name of each string: G, C, E, and A. Now tune each string by ear or with the help of a tuner. Turn the knob until each string matches their corresponding note. Once you're comfortable holding and tuning the ukulele, practice 4 basic chords: C major, which you can play by placing your ring finger on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, G major, which you can play by placing your index finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret. A minor you can play by placing your index finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. F major chord, which you can play by placing your index finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret and your middle finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. Practice switching from one major chord to another to form a progression.